Reaching for the goldfish. Let's say that Dinky can reach the goldfish. Dinky can reach, he can touch the goldfish. Let's add the word almost, which means he doesn't actually touch the goldfish, but almost reach the goldfish. They're very close now. So Dinky can almost reach the goldfish. Oh, let's change it. Dinky can almost reach the tree. Dinky can almost reach the tree. He can almost reach the tree. Let's make a yes/no question with he can almost reach the tree. He can almost reach. Can he? Can he? Can he? Can he almost? Can he almost reach? Can he almost reach the tree? Can he almost reach the tree? And how will you answer no to that question? No, he cannot. No, he can't. No, he can't. No, he can't. No, he can't almost reach the tree. No, he can't almost reach the tree. Let's make a what can almost reach question. This will be a little bit hard. What can almost reach? What can he? What can he? What can he? What can he almost reach? What can he almost reach? What can he almost reach? And the answer is the goldfish. He can almost reach. He can almost reach the goldfish. Now, let's make another sentence. Dinky can almost reach his friend. He can almost reach his friend. Now, do you remember another word for friend that we just learned? Pal. So let's say Dinky can almost reach his pal. Reach his pal. Reach his pal. Reach his pal. He can almost reach his pal. He can almost reach his pal. Let's make a yes/no question with that sentence. Can he? Can he? Can he? Can he almost? Can he almost reach his? Can he almost reaches? Can he almost reaches? Can he almost reach his pal? Can he almost reach his pal? Let's answer no. No, he cannot. No, he can't. No, he can't. No, he can't almost reach his pal. Reach his pal. Reaches pal. No, he can't almost reach his pal. No, he can't almost reach his pal. Let's make a what almost reach question. What? What can he? What can he? What can he almost? What can he almost? What can he almost reach? What can he almost reach? And the answer is the goldfish. He can almost reach. He can almost reach. He can almost reach the goldfish. Okay. Let's move on to the next.